Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a makeup transformation. I'm with my sister-in-law Jana, and be sure to click the subscribe button for more videos. Now, without further ado, let's move on to the tutorial. It's really important to have a clean canvas. After cleaning her face, I'm going to start applying this moisture mist from Nu Skin all over her face and then let it dry. And so moving on to the primer, I'm using Master Prime from Maybelline, and then I will just apply it to the areas that has larger pores. And since Jana has dark under eyes, I'm gonna be using this color correcting concealer from Says Lady. Please watch out for my video reviewing Says Lady products. I'm just putting it on those dark areas. And blend it with a beauty blender. And then for the foundation, it's gonna be Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade of 120. And then I'm gonna start buffing it using a foundation brush into the skin. And of course, don't forget to apply some foundation on the neck. Now, for the contour, I'm using NYX Wonder Stick. Well, for the concealer, it's gonna be Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 20. Then I will just start blending it in. Then using the Nichido Final Powder, I'm gonna start baking. And while I'm waiting for it to bake, I'll go ahead with her eyebrows. I am using this Anastasia eyebrow pomade to fill in the brows. After I'm done with her brows, I'm going to start applying the eyeshadow. Using the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, I'm using this color as a transition shade. I'm gonna apply that on her crease and make sure everything is blended very well and no harsh line. Next, I'm using this color to warm the color a little bit. Taking this purplish shade, I will apply it on the outer corner of her eyes. Then taking this darker eyeshadow, I'm just gonna blend that on the outer V. I super love this shade because it really makes the eyes pop. And by the way, the eyeshadow or the palette that I'm using is from Beauty Glazed. This is really pigmented, so a little goes a long way, and make sure to blend it really well. After that, I'm going to take this pink shade to tone it down a little bit. Then taking these two glittery shades here, I'm going to mix them. And using my fingers, I will just apply it from the center of her lids to the inner corner of her eyes. And now I'm making a small little wing and lining the eyes using a liquid liner. So now I'm just trying to curl her eyelashes here, but Jana didn't let me, so I just skip it and proceed on applying the mascara. You can see here that struggle is real. And now I'm done putting the false eyelashes. I'm also done with my baking, so I'll just remove the powder. So next is the contouring powder. I will just apply it on the hollow of her cheeks. And her forehead. And then for the blush, I'm applying this shade on the apple of her cheeks. Using the same contouring powder, I'm now contouring her nose. Then I'm taking a white eyeliner and applying that on her waterline. Using a black eyeshadow, I'm applying that on her lower lash line, only on the outer part to the middle to give a smudge effect. Next is applying the mascara on her lower eyelashes. For her lips, I'm taking this Power Lips from Nu Skin in the shade of Maven. This is actually my favorite shade, and I'm applying that all over her lips. Then for the final step, I'm using this iconic illuminator to highlight the inner corner of her eyes, the bridge and the tip of her nose, and the highest point of her cheeks. And we are done! So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like it. Please subscribe to my channel and comment down below if you like more transformation videos like this. You can also follow me on Instagram, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!